Alright, welcome back to the table on board on the matter with the matter on the ground. I remain the malicious baby number 1 on this Amebo High Court table, and I'm here with my men.
What order my people? Kiss me for the first time. I go by the name Mr Sonnie, the comedy son of comedy, is royal talkative online Zaddy.
Matter we carry come our table today now the matter of the woman who died in auto crash accident while she been dey chase her husband up and down.
R.I.P.
I will first start saying may her soul rest in peace.
Not in pieces.
Not in pieces. In peace. May the Almighty God accept and grant her soul to rest, because she no die dead where she supposed to die. The thing shocked me. Wetin I go first start to the talk be say, as a woman or as a human being, Amebo, them say, if this woman have not listened to who called her and said, I see your husband with one lady, she for not leave wetin she dey do. They rush to go scatter this home. Now she not just end up scatter this home, she end up making sure that this woman take her life. And wetin dey surprise me now, people come dey say na the husband, why the husband dey run. Wetin dey mean say why the husband dey run? The husband dey run just to avoid the drama wey the wife dey carry come. The husband no wish this woman say, I been wish you to die. Because if the woman know say the thing go end up for die, the man for no even come up from where he stand. And what if the man no come up from where he stand? If na the second lady can't die for the woman neck, you come. Wetin una forget to talk. Go say na the woman find person husband go. You no meet these two people say them dey inside room. You no meet them say them dey inside their own matrimonial home. So why them would just call you as a wife or as a husband? They see your husband or they see your wife somewhere with person. I beg, they calm down first. See, nothing be like self-control. Yes, we know say anger they take people to wetin they no expect. But you see, your own self-control of your anger matters much a lot. No matter how many call people they call.
But you know, say if now you this thing do, you self go rush down to where the thing happen.
Did you hear what the message said? This woman has 3 children. Whom did she leave the 3 children with? Go chasing after the husband. Because this same man go see come back, come meet you for house.
Wait, no woman, even as a man that I am, my dey for house. Even woman who I never marry, may they just hear my ears say they want hotel or one place. I will reach there first.
Let me say, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I understand.
This is a woman where you never even marry.
I understand.
Don't be the one where you don't marry. With 3 children, she gets duties for house to pay.
The only thing I can just say
for house.
Is, no,
and the man will come back, come meet her for house.
Wait, the man will come back to come and meet her at home. Yes, you're right. But you know, you want to confirm. Know how you will want to confirm. Say, she not true or not lie. That's it.
See,
okay, now husband come out. Say okay, you can't fight husband. Say you, who was that woman that you were with? He go ask you for evidence. Where's the evidence? You don't get any evidence. But you just decide. It's okay. Where did you see me? Where did you see me? You no go know. But you start there with a woman. I'm not with any woman. Yes.
This same woman, they called her, and computer don't make everything computerized now.
Okay.
They call her from house, say, I see your husband with another woman for one more.
Okay.
As woman when be say get, or as a woman being, you suppose calm down first. As the person they talk to you, please make you snap the picture of your husband with the woman, and if possible, say, you go give her the thief money. Snap her, if na hotel, and you go follow her. Then just get the pictures. You don't need to go there. Okay, now who stand to lose? Because she go die now in the name of, and they go chase my husband.
Wait.
No, now when she don't die now, she that woman where she go chase her husband for, no go become stepmother to the children.
If to say she no die in call.
If to say she no die. If to say she no die, the marriage for separate. And the same woman go still be the wife of the husband. Because she not get anything where she want to. But if she were patient, please, patience matters a lot.
I'm not saying patience no matter. Normally,
patience matters a lot.
Wait, you see, please, all the married women out there, please. All men cheat. All of us we cheat. we dey cheat. Every man is cheating. If you are married, just know that. But so far that your husband is not doing it to your face, and he dey do everything as a husband for you,
to make sure that he puts a smile on you.
Say he makes smile, she dey put smile on
this
you
man
and your children. Just have patience. Even if you hear am say if this also place, because if the person dey overloved, if you love, like you don't too much love person, you can do anything.
But love can become true.
Yes, you can do anything. Me, I dey talk am. Person who I marry with my money, who I pay him bride price, I can hear say this so place. I will rush down there. I will rush down there.
I shall pray say make wetin happen to the woman not happen to you. That the time they rush down to go check wetin dey happen to you.
No, I know we change them up to. So far as I don't see two of them, I don't see my evidence. And they see me, and they go ask. Now make she no come out, or make she go in mama house.
If you be say the same person where they rush down to go check whom your wife dey with, maybe na business partner. Or maybe you want
let me tell you something.
Contract.
This is what a lot of husbands said outside. It's business. No, me and on. Imagine say you go on business trip, and you from business trip you go mall, go buy something for mall. I don't understand. You dey buy something for wetin they want to for office.
I bet me we need dey always point finger of when something happen to the next person. So na him cause everything. This man never wish the wife there. If you have done that,
everybody for this matter they get fault. The side chick, the husband, and the woman. The woman gone we get accident. Everybody get issue, and the person we call the wife.
Mr. will be getting married very soon.
By the special grace of God.
We'll be inviting you guys to join us.
Yeah,
and when they get married, that will come there with the side chick. Because
why
I know so many of
why don't you come with my side chick? My side chick can come to my wedding. I know
so many of his side chick. But please, I dey beg every married person out there, both the man, both the woman, let's always be patient in everything that happened around us. Because patient, if you are not patient, anger can spoil so many things. At that particular time you are angry, you can use that anger and spoil what you're not supposed to spoil. But sometimes if we take patience, I'm not saying that be patient like Osinachi, who husband killed. I'm not talking about that kind of patience. I'm saying that we should be patient before. Everybody has rights of what you or she want to do. But before you do that, what do you need? You need that patience to think very wisely, to know where you dey go and wetin you want. So I dey beg people and I dey pray, make God accept this woman so, and make the husband take good care of the children in the absence of their mother and the love for their mama die for. Make you extend both the children and the motherly love to the children. So now the short one where we get to talk into this